financial accounting. The first chapter is introductions of financial accounting. So introductions is first you have to know the meaning. Meaning of accounting. Accounting is a discipline which record, classify, summarize and interpret financial information about the activities of a concern. Such interpretations will help in taking the intelligent decisions about the concern. That means accounting means recording the informations whatever the happening, the coming and going of the cash, money or money's worth, in the manner of money or money's worth, in the form of cash or credit or anything. So if the purchasers or selling, that information we have to record in the book, that we have to classify and summarize and interpret the financial information, because in the organization we have to maintain in the money manner, so that we have to recording in the daily basis, that information of the related to the activities of the particular concern. Such interpretation will help in the taking the proper decisions regarding the particular company or particular organization. Next is definition. So definition, according to the American Institutions of Certified Public Accountant, accounting is the art of record, classifying and summarizing in a significant manner and in terms of money, transactions and event which are in the part at least of a financial character, and interpret the result thereof. Whatever the meaning I told, the same thing will be there in the definition. Accounting is a record, art of record. So we have to maintain the proper record. As you know, the bookkeeping, how we are. So date, particular, credit or debit amount will be there, ledger folio, journal folio will be there. So like that you are recording the daily basis, we are recording the bookkeeping, classifying and summarizing in a significant manner. So whatever we are recorded, that we have to classify in a proper manner. Daily basis we are recording, that we have to signify, and in term of money, the transactions and events which are in the part at least. So the whatever the transaction we are doing, that is related to the organization, and that will be helping for taking the financial decisions in the organization. So this, based on this only, the financial record whatever we are maintaining, based on that only the organization can able to take the future decision regarding the organization. So one more definition is there, American Accounting Association. Accounting is a process of identifying, measuring and communicating economic information to permit informed judgment and decisions by the user of the information. So as I told, it is the recording, identifying and measuring, the communicating. So identifying where we are, the organization where it is, and how they can able to develop that organization, and communicating economic information. So what is the economic of the particular company, that is what how the organizations will be there, and to permit informed judgment and decision by the users of the information. So based on this information they can able to take the future decisions. So financial information is recording, financial recording we are maintaining in the financial accounting related to the organization. So how much income will be there, how much expenses will be there, debit, credit, everything we are maintaining in the financial accounting. So next is need of accounting. So a business is started with the view of earning the profit. Mainly is the business will be starting to earn the profit. The businessman is naturally interested in knowing the answer to the questions like what are the types of amount of earning, types of amount of expenses, types of amount of incomes, the nature and value of the assets processed by him, the nature of value of his liabilities, to whom he should pay, from whom he should receive, and so on. So every information will be there related to the accounting. So here some of the needs will be there. So it is not possible for human being to remember all the transactions which occur during the year. So we cannot able to record in our mind whatever be did throughout the year. So for that purpose they has to maintain a bookkeeping, means the transaction they has to maintain daily way transactions. So in one day they can able to do 4 or 5 transactions, or sometimes it may be the 10 transactions, sometimes there is no transactions will be there. So that they has to maintain. So it is not possible for human being to remember all the transactions. So all the transaction throughout the year we cannot able to keep in our mind. So as the result of this, it will not possible to ascertain the correct result and financial position unless a record of all the transactions are made. So if we are maintaining a transactions, that is bookkeeping, easily they can able to analyze the organization financial position to indicate the earning capacity of the financial position of the concerned business unit. So it will help for earning capacity and financial position of the business unit, that is financial record. This will immensely useful to the owner and various other parties. So by other various parties also they can able to invest, or they can able to be the vendor of the other companies. So this will financial position will be helping for organization to maintain the financial position. Next is to satisfy the government and income tax authorities. It may, in many cases, maintaining account is a legal requirement. In case of registered companies, auditing is compulsory. Auditing is not possible without accounting. So every organization they has to satisfy the government by paying the income tax. They has to pay. So in many cases maintaining account is legal requirement. So for the legal purpose they has to maintain the record, and also for the company purpose also they has to maintain, because they has to know how much income will be there, how much expenses. For that purpose they has to maintain the record. In the case of registered company, auditing is compulsory. So some of the registered companies will be there. For that purpose auditing they has to maintain, they has to compulsory, they has to audit by the auditors. Auditing is not possible without accounting. So if we are not recording any transactions, we cannot able to do the auditing of our organization. Next is to assess the management in decision making. Accounting provides such information which will help the management in taking the decisions. So if we are maintaining the record properly, based on the balance sheet, we can able to know how much profit we gain in our organization, that is gross profit and also net profit. So based on this, if the organization can able to develop the organization, based on this they can able to take the decisions. So financial position they can able to know by the management with the help of the financial accounting. This will help for the management to take the proper decisions regarding the organization. To detect the true position of the business as a whole. So if they were maintaining the financial record, so that will help for the financial position of the business, where the organization will be there, how they can able to develop this organization, and how much finance will be required, and how much finance is there in the organization. This information they can able to know with the help of the financial accounting. Next is objectives and advantages of accounting. There are certain objectives. To know the profit or loss of the business. Objectives and needs almost the same only. So here objectives is to know the profit. So based on the financial record, based on the accounting, we can able to analyze how much profit or how much loss arises in the business. To know the assets and liabilities of the business of a particular date. So assets and liabilities of the business on a particular date, how much assets they purchase, when they purchase, whether they were purchased in the credit or debit they purchase, that information they can able to analyze. Means assets they purchase, if they were purchased in the assets in the credit manner, they can able to record. And liabilities, how much liabilities will be there in the organization, that also they can able to record based on the particular date. To know the what amount is payable to any person or what amount is receivable from any person, means debtors amount and creditors amount they can able to know with the help of the financial accounting. So if they purchase the assets, then they has to pay certain amount to the vendor, so that they can able to maintain. And liabilities, how much will be there, that also they can able to record with the help of the financial accounting. In case of a joint stock company, to comply with the provision of a Companies Act 1956, as under this act, it is necessary for companies to maintain a accounting records. So, according to the, if they were maintaining the joint stock company, according to the Companies Act 1956, they has to maintain accounting record. Next is to know the quantity and value of the stock. So value of the stock, each year the value of the assets will be coming down because depreciations will be, we have to give. So based on that, the value of the stock, we can able to know how much closing stock will be there. That also we can able to know with the help of the accounting. So whatever we are recording, that is in the cash manner, in the money or money's worth only we are recording. So here we are not recording like, so the stock will be there, 1000 stock will be there, then we are not writing the 1000 stock, we are writing in the form of cash only, that is cost of product only we are maintaining. Next is to know about the error and fraud committed by the employees. So in the accounting only we can able to analyze whether there is any error or fraud which is committed by the employees to satisfy the taxation authorities. So income tax they are paying, so that will be satisfied for the government. Next is the American Accounting Association says that accounting will providing information for the following purpose. Whatever the accounting will be providing information, making decision concern the use of the limited resources. With the limited resources in the organization, how they can able to take the growth in the organization. Effective directing the controlling of the organizational human and material resources. In the organization, mainly men, material and money will be there. How effectively they can able to use that in the organization, that the decision they can able to take with the help of the accounting. Maintaining the record of the custodianship of the resources, so they can able to maintain all the record of the organization, facilitating control. So each organization having their control over different department. So in organization they were having the different department, so they can able to control with the help of the finance only. Next is accounting as a following advantages. It will help a concern in ascertaining its profit or loss as the reason of for the same. So with the help of the accounting, they can able to analyze the profit or losses of the organization. As the books are maintained every year, a comparison of the result of the different year can be made. So every year they were maintaining. So based on that, they can able to compare how much profit they were getting, and they can able to compare previous year and the next year how much they can able to make the target for the next year. The amount due to others and the amount due from others can be easily known. So they can able to easily know the credits and creditors under the debtors of the organization. Next is it provides the information regarding the assets and liabilities of the business house which maintain the books. So the accounting will be provide the information about the assets and liabilities of the business, how much they were having in the organization which maintain the books. Books act as a evidence in the court of law in claiming amount due from the debtors for claiming made by the creditors. So this will, whatever the record will be there, that will be act as a evidence in the court of law if they were claiming the due amount will be there, or they can able to claim made by the creditors. The creditors also they can able to claim. Tax liability can be easily settled in the proper books of accounts are maintained. So tax liabilities also they can able to maintain if the proper record are maintained by the organization. Planning, controlling and decision making functions become easy where books of accounts are maintained properly. So with the help of the record only they can able to plan and control and decision they can able to take regarding the organization future, regarding the future development of the organization they can able to take with the help of the accounting only. So, what is accounting, what is accounts, and what are the advantages, needs and objectives of the accounts. Next class we can able to study the role or functions of the accounting, uses of the accounting, and limitations of the accounting. If it is time will be there, then the principle also I will explain.